Powerful website you need to know, part 18. So the first site I'm going to talk about in this video is cleaner pictures. So if you want to remove something from a picture, you can do that. So you can see this here. So removing it, you just select it and remove it. Let me do a tutorial. We're going to talk about two different sites, so I'm not going to waste a lot of time on this. So I open it. It comes with a free and a paid version. So let me expand the brush here. Let me try remove the correct section there, and let's wait for a minute. And good, you can see it's been removed, so you can go on and then download it and then use it. The second site I'm going to talk about is Replict. So this is very much popular when it comes to vibe coding. You hop on here, give a prompt, and you're going to get your app generated or your site generated for you. It's very much trusted, very much popular. You can hop on here and start using it. So the third site I'm going to talk about is Anime.js. This is for JavaScript, and also if you use React too, you can use this. You can create animations with this. You're going to get the code of everything, simple and easy. So hop on the sites like this, move to your document here. You can install it with npm if you are using React. You can also import it on your React too as well, and with your JavaScript you can copy the codes and then use them. You can hop on here and then check the site out. That's it for the video. If you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.